This project aims to make the information in the multiple JISC infoKits more easily accessible to knowledge exchange professionals and academics. We found that many individuals were not familiar with infoKits and JISC's work. Using our available resources, we focused on visualizing 3 infoKits: business and community engagement, embedding business and community engagement, and knowledge transfer 2.0. We wanted to develop a method for visualizing and easily sorting through the resources. It would provide a more appropriate means of accessing and using them, giving users an at-a-glance understanding of the scale and variety of infoKits. We developed a prototype tool to do this. Our concept was to adopt an informal descriptive framework based on the intended user's characterization of their resource needs. This framework was based around identifying who might need a resource, how they might use it, when they might use it, and then what it is. Collectively, these factors would match appropriate resources. Resources could then be found on the basis of addressing specific user needs. We quickly found that these categories were too complex to capture. For example, the who was an academic or business engagement professional and so did not need to be classified. The upshot of this is that who became implicit in the prototype and no longer a dimension used to match resources. A student developed a questionnaire for potential users, but despite many iterations, we could not use what was produced. We did use the social bookmarking platform Digo to store resource encodings and a simple client-side script to pull down the encodings and present them in an interactive visualization. We produced initial design wireframes to outline how the visualization might work. The prototype visualization tool went through a number of iterations, each providing a sounding board for stakeholders to reflect on the relationship between what was expected and what could be achieved. In parallel with this process, the approach to marking up and encoding resources evolved. The project met the aims of the prototype working as a specialized social bookmarking tool, embodying the encoding of 3 of the infoKits. The real benefits of the interactive visualization can only be realized if it embodies every infoKit and if it is introduced to and adopted by a wide user community. However, in disseminating and engaging potential end users, the potential value of the tool was recognized. Our user feedback suggests that the prototype could benefit from further work to encode more resources and provide more guidance to novice users. The key lessons learned from the work are that although technical enhancements offer great potential benefits within an academic setting, the transformation of practice necessary to realize their true benefit is significant.